Well, I'm sure that you've already experienced the hiccups. Doesn't matter, Yuan Yuan will show you a few ways to stop it. Method 1. Press acupoint, Taiyuan. Taiyuan is located on the radial side of the wrist crease. This point tonifies your lung. So what happens when the lung are stronger? In Chinese medicine, one of the functions of the lung is to move qi downward. Therefore, when you press this point, the rebellious qi will move downward, and so the hiccups will stop. In everyday life, people with a weak stomach often experience hiccups. Just by putting your finger, your thumb, on this point, the hiccup will already stop immediately. It is very useful. Try it. The second method, Zanzhu point. The Zanzhu point is located at the inner end of the eyeballs. So press it gently with your hand, and then with more force to gradually feel a soreness. This point can also help you to stop hiccups, but it requires a little bit more force. With my thumb, I usually put my head directly on these two thumbs, and by pressing it for about 1 minute, the hiccup will stop. Method 3. The fork number 2. Do you still remember the 3 fork point that I've shown you? It's just here, here, and here. 1, 2, 3. And the fork number 2. This is the solution that I've just found recently. Well, at the time it was time to go to bed at night, and my husband kept hiccuping next to me. I tried the above 2 points, but they failed to stop it. I could tell by the sound that it was much louder than usual. At that time, I just thought, since the hiccup was due to the movement of the diaphragm, so I just have to press an acupoint related to the diaphragm. So I thought of the 3 forks point, which are the regulator of the various membrane in the body, especially the number 2. The fork number 2 here is closely related to the diaphragm. So I used my thumb to give a pressure. And surprisingly, from the moment that I put pressure on it, the hiccup stopped. It's just amazing, isn't it? In a week, Yuan Yuan will upload another video about the hair loss. But if this video can get 30 likes in a week, I will upload the next video more quickly. Thank you for your interest, and I'll see you next time.